I really hope this works this time. Alright, so today we're making a bhop hack for l4d2, and this is going to be based off the Counter-Strike source one that we made. I have no idea why I deleted this. Hold on. Sorry, I didn't mean to actually. Thread. LP thread. Let's go start routine. Why are you broken? Okay, that makes no sense. What? Oh. Okay, there we go. Sure we can build. So from the last one we made this thread, and we said we made this right here. So this is just for, like, I guess you could say debugging purposes, so we could see the addresses of what we put in here. So like so, we go into l4d2, and we open up cheat engine, and of course this is gonna be like the same way of like Counter-Strike source, but I think it's a little harder to find values. So let me first go search for 4. And I have no idea what the hell that was. Let me click that again. That was weird. And I think that might be it. Hold on, let me. No, it's not. It's definitely not it. I think it's supposed to be client, yeah, so that's not it. So let's do plus jump, which should give us 5. Here it is, I think, right here. So we set this back to 4. Can we jump? Let's see if we can jump if we go back into game. Wait, why was it set back to... Okay, we can't jump again. So I'm gonna do minus jump. Go here, and then set this to 5. Alright, that's our force jump. So go here and type in force jump address. So this is gonna be client ID plus this address right here. So go in here, dword module base equals dword get module handle client.dll dword force jump equals module base plus this address right here. Alright, now we can make our Alright. We finally found the address that accounts for air, okay? This probably took the longest time I've ever been searching for a single value. It was because my computer was so slow, it could not catch up with all the values in time before I hit the ground. So what I had to do was get onto a car and then jump so I have more air time. Like I don't know why my brain couldn't even like comprehend I could have done that before. Damn. So do int air equal to 0. Uh, int force jump equals 5, and then we want to sleep 10, and then set this back to 4, so we can jump again, and that should be it. Literally, that is all it takes. Also, we need to do something. Let's make sure we're getting the right values here. We can do jump, and we want to do SD hex, and we want to do force jump, and actually should put the module first. So module, and then air. So air, and then air, and that should be good. Now we should have our DLL. Now all we have to do is inject this somehow. So make sure you have your own DLL injector. I have mine. It is kind of bad though. I made it a little while ago. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna go here, and he crashed. Fuck. No wonder we crashed. Here's why we crashed. So in the last video I told you if we did not return true, this would have crashed, and this I did not do this on purpose. Like I forgot to put this here. So if you knew to put that there, then good job, because I did not. Wow. Alright, we're gonna try this once more. I already know it's gonna work. Now that's if. That's if. Oh shit! I forgot to tell you, but you should be good as long as you are not stupid and be like, well, I'm gonna go ahead and do this without insecure mode thing. I'm not gonna get banned, bro. You're gonna get banned. It's just facts. Alright, this is so good. Let's go ahead and actually we want to attach change it first. Just so I can make sure these are correct values. It's still the same. Now of course they are still gonna be the same. But yeah, this is rendered in IMGUI. I cannot move this window. I mean, this is rendered in OpenGL. I haven't used DirectX. I've never used DirectX. I will probably soon though. Yellow path. Once again, this is the. What time is it? 1:23. 20. Make sure I built that one more time. Alright, so our module. Okay, this should be good. Alright, there we go. So now I got the bhop. Look at that. I don't know why this doesn't look as good though. Hold on. Now we're good.
towards the spinning lights.
Look at that. Would you look at that? Yep, would you look at that?
Holla back at me, folks.